After the fall of the UDP-led Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the NPP MDC from Sohryngkham, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, had filed for nomination to the position of Chief Executive Member of the Council, where he also announced that the new EC will comprise of 12 NPP MDCs and 6 from the Congress Party, the alliance of which will be called the Khasi Hills Democratic Front. It may be mentioned that the election to the position of CEM of the Council will be held on the 20th of June 2023.
Ke lasai kesini kami baca kan election CM, but wiki bentar lese kibangin yakran kam dan kam lese ki mat kibakongsan kibanginnya renan mat ya kata baru masa kran kam lasai kesini hadir berada baca komisi kebat mai kepenhun banyalam kisi batmai long chairman dangat but in long secretary iba tebor lang patha assistant secretary in long ba karnes social but vice chairman in long ba PNC ada dei ba ni tho ya kan numbers nadu menung ila de benchilti andrengi jensur mensim ba nak NPP ni ailat sya tengi ni om ke UDP kala ilam south nam ailat no ke ni lu sisnam te but kanamdan hi balak benkang haka sensya baik kan bangin yalamne bangin lead ya ke isi lene ke government lane bangin ya trelang batno